Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my page, Dr. Rekha Segal, Homeopathy for Mankind. A big thank you to everyone for supporting my videos. Today, I'll be discussing a very important remedy which I found very fruitful in my clinical practice, that is Kali phosphoricum or phosphate of potassium. As you all know, potassium is one of the ingredient for the nerves, for the muscle cells, and for building up of the tissues. So what could be the entry points for prescribing this remedy? First, it is prescribed in cases where you get a history of any prolonged mental exertion. The patient always present to you that he or she is overburdened, and now the stage has come where she is unable to do or deliver those duties. She is overexhausted, overburdened, or there could be a history of sleeplessness which is from a pretty long time. It is not an acute phase, it is for a chronic period that the patient is unable to get the sleep. And when you inquire, the causative factors again would be any kind of overexcitement or a worry or overburden at the level of the mind. It could be prescribed in many people where there is a brain fag. The sleeplessness could be because of the business worries, or there is also prescribed in cases of old people where there are atrophic changes in the brain, and because of which the muscles have started losing their strength, or the patient could present to you with the paralysis of one side. It could be of the arms, it could be of the face, or it could be of the legs. So this could be the entry points to prescribe Califos. Now, what kind of the presentation with which the patient would come to you? As you all know, there is an overburden or overexhaustion at the level of the mind. So the patient will be in a lot of depressed state, a lot of weakness which could be reflected that she is unable to do her routine core activity. डॉक्टर साहब मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता, कुछ काम करने का मन नहीं करता है. I don't want to do any work. I don't want to relate to the outer world. A slightest छोटा सा भी काम जो होता है मुझे बहुत भारी लगता है, मुझे कुछ करने का इच्छा नहीं होती है. So when the patient gives you this kind of statements where you can feel that there is a lot of weakness at the level of the mind, and this exhaustion could be reflected at the level of the sleep also, that sleeplessness, insomnia is there, and the patient is troubled with this kind of problem. And the patient, this there is a history that the patient is having a lot of depression, in a very low mood, in a very dejected state, the sadness, or there is a sadness or anxiousness. So this could be the entry points, or this could kind of the patient, how he or she will relate to you. Califos has given a wonderful results in this type of cases. I have prescribed in many cases where there is a, because of post COVID, the females are unable, they are in a state of worry, they are in a state of anxiousness, they are overburdened. The Califos has worked wonderful in these cases. It can, I have prescribed in 6x and 12x, and it has given a wonderful results. I think a short description of this remedy would be helpful to you. Hope this video could be beneficial in your clinical practice. Stay healthy, enjoy homeopathy, and thank you.